Hello everybody, we are playing Jackbox Party Pack, and we are playing Don't Push the Button or Push the Button?
Push the button, that's what it's called.
Oh, okay, cool. I was gonna press the button anyway. But I'm George.
I'm Corey.
I'm Kamara.
And I'm Jason, and this is Velvet Games.
Movies.
Spice.
Bruh.
Sorry to interrupt your cryosleep, but I thought it worth mentioning
What
that
a
I,
cryosleep?
your digital officer
No,
during
cryosleep.
emergencies, or
I like the other
Dottie,
one better.
You
have
get
detected
one
an
of the
alien
Yes, crying
biorhythm on
asleep,
this ship.
I
Kamara.
like that.
And just as I suspected, the aliens uploaded a virus which is slowly deleting my program.
Tonight.
I'm here to guide you through if you'd like.
No.
No tutorial.
No
No
tutorials?
tutorials.
Alright.
We're just
So
gonna
those
get
watching,
in here and
if
not
you want to
know
learn how to
what
play, watch somebody
I
else's
have
video. No,
determined
just
that
kidding.
one of you is secretly an alien.
Please don't click away.
Please look at your device and confirm your identity.
Don't show
Your
anybody.
device can tell you if you're a human or an alien, but not the identities of
Maybe
your
our
fellow
editors
players.
at this point can put like on the screen who's the alien, and that way you can know. I don't know. Maybe they could figure it out.
Nah, just let it happen.
Just let it happen.
Just let it happen.
All right, bet. Oh, I have to confirm.
I was about to say, somebody hasn't
By my
confirmed.
calculations, you will have 12 minutes before I cease to be.
All right,
so
so we
I'd
have 12
appreciate
minutes to
it
play
if
this
you could
game.
figure out who the alien is, and then push the button.
Don't push the button.
Don't push the
You
button.
will be our first captain.
I'm going for
Choose an
Corey,
available room
alien.
and your desired
You
participants.
think Corey's the alien?
Already, off the bat.
I think you're
What?
the alien for saying that.
Literally.
Maybe.
Corey,
For
you
being
have to choose.
so aggressive with that.
You have to choose where we're going.
I have to choose? Oh,
yeah,
sorry,
you're
sorry.
the captain.
We're just gonna drawing quarters.
And then you have to put the two people there.
Okay.
Guys, all hurry.
Error.
This would be a lot of fun without the threat of mortality.
Okay.
Oh my gosh, of course, the two joke names.
Start test.
You have entered the drawing quarters. Draw the prompt on your device.
Oh man, I'm terrible at drawing. Why did you do this to me?
So I don't play this round?
No.
Yeah, we don't play.
Because
we just
I'm the
wait.
captain. Oh, and because
Yeah.
I assigned them.
Exactly.
Okay.
You can assign yourself, I think.
Oh, okay. That's good to know.
Why does my character look like a fancy Snoop Dogg?
I do that. That's true.
If they're taking too long to draw, the hurry up button
You
can
look
help
like the
pick
Black Eyed Peas.
humans.
This is gonna be
though.
All of our
Terrible.
characters.
Okay.
Draw a fingernail.
Okay, let's
Now
see.
let's see the results.
Mm.
Do any of
George.
these answers seem suspicious?
George is for sure the alien.
What's your prompt, George?
What?
He's the
Explain your
alien.
drawing,
Yeah, go
George.
ahead.
Explain this.
There's no explanation.
But
Throw me into space, end my miserable life. I can't draw, apparently.
Can't draw a fingernail.
that's what you thought a
So-
fingernail, like a
Look
best way
like?
to like
We're
show
on
a
the clock
fingernail.
here, people, so let's keep it going.
Yeah.
Interesting.
Tried putting the hand on there, and yeah, that didn't work.
Okay.
I feel like you're not even trying to deny that you're an alien.
You can believe what you want.
Can
You already
believe
know
what
that
you
I'm
want.
an alien. You married me.
George, the master gaslighter. Believe what you want.
Why is there an alien on his square though?
I voted for him as an alien. That's all.
Oh, got it.
Because
Okay.
now we have the prompt in front of you that says who you think the alien is.
Okay, cool. That's right.
Alright, y'all. Time is going.
Are you not gonna put an alien thing?
I responded.
Oh, someone pushed the button.
Welcome
Oh.
to the extraction
I didn't-
room. Since you
I
were
didn't know
one to
that
push
was
the
doing
button,
it.
Oh no!
isolate. There's still a lot of time left. Are you absolutely sure you've got this right?
No.
Since this is our
No.
first time here, you have 2 minutes to decide.
No.
Is there a back button?
I don't think there is.
I have 2 minutes to decide, right?
Why am I in the container?
I know. That's curious.
What is going on right now?
Wait, what?
We might have to replay this game.
Yeah, I think so. Sorry, guys, my fault.
Perfect.
Now the non-isolated member shall vote. Okay, time to vote.
What?
The vote has to be unanimous. If anyone votes no, we'll have to go back to the main cabin.
Okay.
Cool. Good to go. Yeah.
So we're voting yes?
What?
Yeah, obviously.
Whoever votes yes is definitely
Why
an
not?
alien.
The vote has
You're not an
failed.
Just
alien?
vote yes
I'm
for
You
very
everyone.
haven't been
sure.
tested.
Yes. I know somebody
All
has
we
been
can do is
tested
keep
that didn't
testing
draw a
until you can all
fingernail.
agree. Okay, next captain,
They
you're
drew
in
like an
charge.
engagement ring.
Okay, let's get a move on. Pick another room and test group.
Georgia just
There's
wanted to
less
be very
than 9
intricate
minutes.
with the fingernail. Just wanted to like, you put this,
Very
this is where you
intricate.
put the finger.
Who's choosing it now?
George is.
Me.
Oh gosh.
Yo mama is.
What does probing do again?
You look at their answers.
Oh,
Not that kind of probing.
gross.
Ask your
You have
parents
been
what
selected
kind
to
of
give your
probing.
opinion. Answer the question on your device. Here is the human prompt. I know a lot about popular music. Anything odd?
Not really.
No, I slightly agree. I don't know the most about music.
Yeah. I'm on TikTok like all the time, so.
Yeah, no, I'm not.
I think if we all hit the hurry button in the bottom, it will like
Okay.
skip. Yeah.
Nice. Cool.
Next
Good to
captain,
know.
please.
Error.
Nice.
Tomorrow.
There it is. Okay.
I hate this one.
To Jason and Jared.
That's exactly what I was going.
Great minds think
I
alike.
hope we make it through this. This is the bioscanner. I hope you've chosen a team you can trust.
Easy.
Captain, I'm sending you the correct glyphs now.
Okay.
What?
Gosh. Okay. Oh gosh. Okay. So there's 3 dots and a little like on a playing card. There's like the spade,
Yep, got
a
it.
dot on the side.
Yep, I got it.
Okay. Cool. All right. This one kind of looks like an E facing down with
Okay.
2 dots at the top,
Got it.
Okay.
and the last one it's kind of like a mermaid tail bent upwards.
Is there another like thing opposite of it?
Upwards. What?
There's like a dot on top of that one.
There's a dot on top of it, but there's not another thing on the other side.
There's 2 dots in it though.
No. This
Oh,
one only
it
has
looks
1
like-
dot.
Oh, it looks like a mermaid.
Looks like a mermaid tail, but that's like bent upwards.
Got you. It's like
Because
a,
it's like a curvy.
it's like a flat
loop.
bottom.
Yes.
Got it. I got all 3.
Anything else to explain, George? I haven't. There's a E
I think
that's
I.
on it that's like facing downwards.
He don't got it because he's the alien.
Just making
got
sure.
it.
Why lock it?
Analysis is online. Captain, choose any other player and you will learn their true identity. You may share this information, if you want, or keep it a secret.
So Kamara's holding all the
Tap
cards.
confirm when
Oh,
you're ready to proceed.
she's testing George. So only Kamara gets this
Data
information?
download. Ooh, this should be good.
Is he a human?
Or an
I am.
alien. You gonna tell us?
What did I tell you?
What?
Wow.
We're on the clock here, people, so let's
Suspicious.
keep going.
Do I do anything else?
Tell us who he is.
Literally.
Is George the alien?
Is the glitching getting worse? I feel like it's getting worse.
think the
vital
only person
scanner
that
is
hasn't
now
been tested thus far
offline.
is
The rest
Corey.
of the investigation
No, Corey
is
got
up to
tested
you.
with me.
Next
Yeah.
captain,
But
It was
you're on
the
the clock.
opinion one, right?
yeah, so I think
Okay, gotcha.
I'm gonna test Corey and Kamara.
Okay.
It's
Yeah,
George.
Go with y'all's guts.
Kamara,
What?
why won't you tell us?
Because she's the alien.
That's
Funner to
fucking-
keep it going. We have like 4 more minutes. It's funner to keep it going a
It's
little
funner.
It's
That word
funner.
again,
We already went
girl.
over
The
this.
most
It's
funner.
funner.
Fun fact about me, I once met Willie Nelson. Nice guy.
My data just like dropped off the face of the earth for a second. There we go. Corey.
Our first visit
We
to
only
the
have 4 minutes
deliberation
left to
deck.
figure it out.
I already figured it out.
Answer the question on your device.
So the question is it for me? It's between George and Kamara? Because why wouldn't you tell us what George's results were, unless you were the alien?
I don't know about
Unless
you,
were
but
the
that clock
alien trying
stresses
to
me
shift
out.
blame to George at the last second.
You're thinking way too hard.
No, I'm thinking just enough.
Humans received the following prompt. You seriously dent a stranger's car in a parking lot. You then... What do we think?
Oh, I didn't even see that prompt.
You didn't see that?
You didn't
prompt?
see
Oh.
it?
No, as in I forgot to read it on the screen.
Are you sure about that?
I'm fully sure.
Mm.
I don't know about that.
George's drawing is our only like assumption to him being the.
And he's
And everybody
alien.
knows I'm terrible at drawing.
So we have to put George and Kamara into the next one.
yeah.
Sounds good to me.
We're on the clock here, people, so let's keep it going. I don't think spaceships are supposed to crumble like that.
What?
Next captain, go, go, go!
Hey, come on, give me your options.
There's less than 3 minutes.
I'm still waiting for it to load.
Yeah.
Oh, here we go. Oh.
Get your opinions out, pronto.
Pronto.
So, let's go. I'm gonna hit the hurry button.
I did.
Humans got... The moon is
arousing.
I
Wait,
sure hope
what?
these results
See?
were worth it.
I showed you.
I'm so confused.
That's such a weird, like,
Why would you strongly agree?
I know.
Exactly.
Like, I can understand maybe
With the
slightly
hurricane?
agree,
Mhm.
but still.
Thank you.
Hit the hurry, Kamara. Or
I did.
Jason.
I already did, yeah.
All right. I think all of us agree on Kamara.
Next captain, please.
Shall
Let's
we?
do one more.
George, you're
One
aware I
more.
There's
saw
less than 2 minutes.
this bioscanner.
Then if you thought he was a
Alright.
human, you would have told us. If you thought he was an alien, you
I
should
wanted
have told
his time
us.
to go more. George
Oh
is
my
the
God.
alien, y'all.
No, I called this already. I already
Tell
know
me
who
you
it
got it
is.
this time.
George!
Yeah, I do
Oh,
feel
Oh,
like it.
somebody pressed the
Whom will
button.
you
I did.
isolate?
It's
Alright.
You only
Kamara.
get
Kamara.
one minute,
That's
so
regret
act
that.
quickly.
I read the
I don't know.
bioscanner.
What's hard is, like, because she did draw a fingernail.
She did.
And she pointed to
But
it.
she also said this moon was strongly arousing.
I didn't read the prompt. I didn't
Why
even
wouldn't
see
you-
that there was words
Why wouldn't
before
you
the
read
buttons.
the prompt?
Because I didn't realize it already came.
Yeah,
and
exactly.
and she said, with the car one, her answer was weird with that one too.
Yeah, you wouldn't fix a dent. You don't know
You
how
wouldn't
to fix
try
a
to
I
dent.
definitely
fix
don't
it?
know how to fix it.
Yeah, no.
Okay.
Okay, time to vote.
What was your prompt for the car one then?
It didn't even give me a card.
The
Wait.
vote has
Oh,
failed.
gosh dang it. No, press the button again.
I can't press
Don't
Are
the
you
forget
kidding
button
me?
again.
humans. Okay, you're up.
I
Somebody else
can.
press the button then.
Can't.
Alright.
I can.
Alright, so
Dumb
this is
thing.
our last-
Everyone needs
My
to
thing
agree.
lagged on me
chance.
and then it stinking
Whom will
messed
you
me up.
isolate?
Okay,
You
I
only
already
have
did
30
mine.
seconds.
There we go. Cool. Now I can
Yeah, I have
actually
a
do
limit.
This
stuff.
is me picking it, right?
Yes.
Yes.
The vote passed.
Go on, get.
And I'm a
Stinking
human.
alien.
There's no way.
I'm a
That's so
human.
silly. Then you played yourself.
Played
The
yourself.
last question it asked me, I'm highly a night owl.
I regret everything.
So that's why I was like, wait, why did it ask that?
Why wouldn't
It's
you
yo
just tell
mama.
us?
I knew it was
Why wouldn't you just tell us, George?
It was me.
Because
I
wanted
knew
to
it.
get
Every
going
single
more.
time, Kamar, I hacked you.
But why wouldn't you just tell us?
I forgot about
I
hacking.
forget
Yep.
He can
That's so
All
hack.
of y'all
confused.
forgot.
I forgot about hacking.
Why
Yes.
wouldn't you just tell us then from the beginning of? Oh yeah.
I know
George-
you
And
literally
then
could just
I
say
purposely-
George.
Keep going.
So then-
it would have ended too quickly. I like
So
the
then-
game to keep playing a
I
little more.
purposely picked a mild answer when y'all put me, so no matter what the prompt
my
was,
gosh.
it wouldn't be suspicious because mine was if I found dark chocolate delicious. For me, that's strongly agree, but I have no idea what the actual prompt is. So I put slightly agree and messed you and hacked you. So that way you get something different and throw everybody else off.
That's so weird.
What did you get for the fingernail one?
To draw a manicure.
Oh.
Do you understand the picture a little bit more now?
No, that looked like a proposal.
It looked like
I told you I'm bad at
Why was a
drawing.
person on the knee, on one knee and a person standing
But I drew a hand.
barely? It was like the hand was a stick.
That's so crazy.
Oh my gosh.
Well, I hope you guys enjoyed watching George make fools out of us all.
Thank you for the help, Jason.
Yeah, I guess. Yeah, so thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this. If you guys like content like this, leave a comment below or suggest another game that we could play on Jackbox. There's like 9 of them, so I'm sure we could play a different one too. But yeah, have a great day.
Bye.